Well, for many years I thought there wasn't enough focus on the home user in security. There's a lot of professional security activities working for business, but there's no real professional advice for home computer users, so I wanted to try and correct that. Well, the first job I got in information security was actually to write about it for a non-security aware user, so to help them understand security. This is for professionals in the civil service. And so I had to think about it very carefully how I wanted to communicate it and learn it for myself at the same time, which is very helpful. So I've been thinking about how to communicate it to people for many years, but I've done many different things during my career. As I say, research, writing, consultancy, and lately looking at how to commercialise new technologies. Well, hopefully I think the first thing is to get an idea how to think about security, so a sort of philosophy of security, so that when new problems come along, new security issues come along, they can think about how to take sensible, risk-aware decisions and make some sort of what I call digital common sense to their decisions. I think that's the first thing. Secondly, some simple, effective actions they can take now and should be taking all the time. And the third thing is to understand that it's not something they can do once and forget about. It's something that has to be ongoing. They have to think about it all through their use of computers. I think that it's mainly because I've tried to make it non-technical. So people should be able to understand it, whatever their technical understanding of computers itself. And similarly, is to get this idea of the thinking behind it, not what they actually should necessarily be doing specifically, but with using software or particular technical things, but just get an understanding of the risks and how to address them.